Here's meteorologist Patrick Crawford, live from StormCenter 2. Brought to you by Tundraland, sunrooms, baths, and replacement windows.
Hi everyone and welcome back. Starting out my StormCenter 2 forecast as I normally do with a look at the weather headlines. The rain that we're dealing with right now, that's going to be slowly pushing out of the area overnight. I think the cloud cover will stay with us for your Thursday and maybe an isolated shower Thursday afternoon, but it looks like the higher rain chances will stay with us for the rest of the evening and then decrease as we move into tomorrow morning. Warmer weather on the way for Friday. It looks like high temperatures could be close to 10 degrees above average, and I'll show you more. We look at the temperature trend graphic in just a moment. First though, current conditions: cloudy, rainy, windy, and cool. Temperatures right now upper 30s and low 40s. 41 in Green Bay, it's 42 in Shawano. Appleton, you're at 39 degrees right now. 45 in Oshkosh, and currently 42 in Manitowoc. Winds out of the east, southeast, and even the northeast. A report there, Wapaka at 13 miles per hour. East wind in Appleton at 17. And then look at the wind speed there in Oshkosh, 21 miles per hour. And these are the consistent wind speeds, and that's going to stay with us for the rest of the night. So the weather we've been dealing with all afternoon, that's not going to go anywhere for the next several hours. That's going to last, I think, all the way past midnight. But here's what I was talking about. Warmer weather on the way. Your high temperature trend over the next 7 days, starting tomorrow and going all the way until next Wednesday. Our average high for this time of the year is 52 degrees. We're going to be below that number tomorrow, well above that number for Friday, and notice temperatures, or highs at least, staying above normal through early next week. So we do have some warmer weather on the way, and it looks like it could stay here for several days. The big picture, the satellite and radar across the region. We've got the showers over our area. They're seeing more of a wintry mix into parts of Michigan, even some light snow there from this area of low pressure that continues to make its way to the east. I think it's going to be making its way into northern Indiana, northern Ohio later on this evening and into tomorrow morning. And as it does that, it will take with it the heavier rain chances, but it will leave still some cloud cover for the area tomorrow. Stray light shower chance tomorrow as well, with some cool temperatures, highs ranging from 45 to 50 degrees. But looking ahead to Friday, we've got a warm front that's going to be moving closer to the area. It's going to be windy on Friday, but the key ingredient with Friday's forecast will be the wind direction. It's going to be breezy out of the south, so that means some warm temperatures are on the way, 58 to 64 degrees by Friday afternoon. Let's take a look at the latest with Pinpoint Predictor. Starting at 10 o'clock tonight, you can see the heavier rain bands off to the east. Still some lingering showers, though, especially into the eastern part of the viewing area all the way through Thursday morning. We'll keep a mostly cloudy sky with us for your Thursday afternoon, and you can still see some isolated light showers showing up on Pinpoint Predictor. I think it's doing a good job of at least keeping in a few raindrops for tomorrow afternoon, but nothing heavy, especially like what we had out there earlier this morning in the southern half of the area. Friday morning, I am seeing some breaks within the clouds, so we could get some sunshine mixing in with the cloud cover for Friday and then factor in those breezy winds out of the south. We've got some nice weather for the end of the work week. Here's a look at Pinpoint Predictor, focusing on the wind speed and wind direction all the way through Friday. And notice the wind arrows are pointing from the south to the north. So that's that southerly wind that I mentioned. And notice the wind speeds picking up into Friday afternoon. Looks like they could be ranging anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, maybe even some gusts up to 35 miles per hour. So it will be a windy Friday, but with that south wind, temperatures are going to be feeling very nice. So cloudy tonight with that stray shower chance, maybe even some patchy fog. I don't think the fog chance is going to be very high tomorrow, but there could be a few isolated areas that might see some reduced visibility. Your 7-day forecast showing temperatures staying mild into Halloween on Monday, a high of 61 degrees, and then in the mid to upper 50s Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.
Kids can dress rather lightly for Halloween there, huh?
Not a bad looking forecast right there. I like the warm weather. Let's
Thanks,
keep
Patrick.
it that way.
Action 2 News and BroadwayAutomotive.com giving